Okay, hi guys, it's Mrs. Milson. We're going to do the check your understanding on page 434. Okay, the histogram above left shows the interval in minutes between eruptions of Old Faithful geyser for all 222 recorded eruptions during a particular month. Okay, so that's our population, the whole month. For this population, the median is 75 minutes. Okay, so about 75 minutes. Now, we use a Fathom software to take 500 SRSs of size 10 from this population. So there's multiple SRSs, and of course, one interval might be in multiple SRSs, and that's okay. The 500 values of the sample median were displayed in the histogram above to the right, and the mean of these 500 values is 73.5, okay? So it's a little different than what the actual population median is. So is the sample median an unbiased estimator of the population median? Now, since the median interval between eruptions is 75 minutes for the population of eruptions, we would expect the mean of all the sample median intervals to also be 75 minutes. But since the mean of these 500 SRSs of size 10 is just 73.5 minutes, that's not equal to 75 minutes. So we have to say that our sample median is not an unbiased estimator of the population median. If they were both 75 minutes, if the sample matched the population, we could say it is an unbiased estimator, but they don't match, therefore it's not. Okay, so here I wrote down what I said. So if you want to stop the video for a second and write that down, it's pretty much exactly what I said. Okay. Okay. Second question says, suppose we had taken samples of size 20 instead of size 10. Would the spread of the sampling distribution be larger, smaller, or about the same? Now, we know larger sample sizes yield smaller and tighter spreads. So if we increased our 500 SRSs to be of size 20 instead of size 10, we would expect the spread of the sampling distribution to be smaller. So perhaps these little tails would be in a little tighter, okay? Maybe we wouldn't have so much stuff on this side, okay? The data would be more centered. And who knows, with that size 20, our mean of all of our sample medians might be closer to 75 than that, but we don't know that, okay? So here we go. I wrote down exactly what I just said, okay? So again, larger sample sizes always yield smaller and tighter spreads. So as we increase the sample size, we expect our spread of our sampling distribution to be smaller. Okay. Last question says, describe the shape of the sampling distribution. We can do that. The shape, left skewed unimodal. There we go. Piece of cake. Okay. See you all later. Bye.